Okay, guys. And the journey of trying to figure out what's going on with Pretty Bird. So yesterday I noticed that he kept kind of pinching his right eye closed more. But today I noticed something else. I'm going to try really hard to catch this on camera. Okay? Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Come here. His eye looks weird. Or is that just me? What is that? Why is his eye so crusty? See that? Pretty Bird. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. Mama's trying to help you, Pretty. Come on. Look, Mama. Look at Mama straight. Look at Mama straight. Pretty Bird. Look at Mama straight. Look at Mommy. Trying really hard to get a good images of his eyes. That's his left eye, the one he's not pinching so much. This is his right eye, the one he seems to be closing a lot more. Okay, now the other geese. This is, let me see, I think this is Echo. Echo, hold still, mamas. Echo, Here's Delta. Hold still, Delta. Delta. Delta, hold still. You're bobbing. Come on. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Let Mama see. Let's see over here. Let's see if I can zoom in without her getting up. I'm also not sure if Nugget is potentially egg-bound, because now she's acting weird and she keeps just sitting around, and that's not normal for her. So I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell is going on with her. She's a black star, so they're notorious for being egg-bound. Alright, babies, can you hold still? Can you not make her get up? It's too blurry. It's okay, don't move. Of course you would come straight for the camera, wouldn't you? Thank you for the beautiful view of your eye. Pretty bird again. Am I hallucinating this, or does his eye look swollen? Like compared to the other geese. And I know Pretty Bird's a hybrid, so he's, a little different. But see that? Are his eyes swollen? Or am I just like seeing stuff now? Am I just completely paranoid now? Oh! Nugget's just sitting around. I'm gonna have to watch her and see if she's even pooping. What in the world is going on? Got one that just had to treat for bumblefoot, okay? She's finally walking again, but she's still acting a little funny, okay? Not really wanting to come out much and forage much, and she's still recovering, right? But she seems to be doing better. I've got Nugget, who went into molting and stopped laying, so I didn't worry about it, right? And now, she's kind of doing this all day. And yesterday, it looked like she strained to poop, which kind of concerned me, but I've not seen her show any nesting box behavior, which I thought was part of it. So I'm a little bit confused. So now I'm waiting for her to poop. I tried to catch it on camera when she was pooping. She pooped. It was a solid piece of poop, like a good chunk of poop. But then she continued to strain, taking 2 steps forward. And then there was like 2 little drops that fell out after. And then she strained a little bit more, and then she walked away. I think I got part of it on camera. So, I'm worried about Nugget. I'm worried about Rosemary. And I'm obviously worried about Pretty Bird. I need a break. Please. When it rains, it pours, eh? Yeah, you. You're making Mama worried. You're making Mama worried. And Mama has to find a way to get you to take medicine, because you have got to be the most stubborn, most spoiled goose that I've ever seen, ever. That wasn't a poop. What was that? Alright, anybody who's squeamish about poop, look away. That's all that just came out of him. Right there. That's it. What the heck? What was that, Pretty Bird? Alright, now I'm going to watch Nugget, and hopefully you guys will be able to help me figure this out. And I believe you guys, and I trust you guys, especially when I'm getting literally the same thing from multiple different people telling me, hey, breathe. It looks like this, not this, and y'all have no idea how much I appreciate it. It means so much to me. Because that goofy butt means a lot to me.